Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. President Lula da Silva, Secretary General Antonio Guterres, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. As I speak to you, my country is reeling from intense monsoon rains, cloudburst, flash floods, mudslides and devastating urban flooding. This climate-induced catastrophe has impacted over 5 million lives across 4,100 villages. Over 1,000 precious lives have been lost. We are facing this calamity at a time when the scars of the 2022 floods that inflicted losses exceeding $30 billion and displaced millions are still visible across our land, and Secretary Guterres is a witness to this catastrophe.